John McKeag, Liberty Aid Academy, libertyaidacademy.org, showing you how to hack the money system, right? Get the money from the banksters, get all the free stuff from the government, and pay them nothing. Okay. Amtrak has a pretty decent credit card out there. They have two, one that doesn't have an annual fee, one that does have an annual fee. The annual fee one is called Preferred, $99 annual fee, and it's got good perks. $30,000 points is a bonus. So I forget what the spend is right now, but it's pretty good. And you get a companion pass, which is means basically $250 off if someone travels with you one time a year. So, I mean, just even that against the $99 annual fee, you get all these perks and stuff. And if you use a train, you know how they value points, you know what I mean? Who's got the better points? Amtrak or Amex or Chase or MasterCard or not MasterCard, Amex, whatever Capital One, whatever point systems they get values, right? Anyway, Amtrak has probably the highest value points of any points that are out there. So 30,000 points is a lot of points. You can get some train rides off of that. A lot of them. If you just do in the seat, but you could get roomettes, whatever, So it's really good, and you get discounts for using it for buying Amtrak stuff, and so it's they get a whole app and like a guest rewards thing where you get a guest rewards number and they track it and all that. Anyway, I want to show my proof. Credit limit for the person, 10,800. You gotta hack every little thing these days financially. That's what Liberty Aid Academy is about. First, you start with a trust, right? And pay no IRS taxes, don't report, and then the dominoes fall, right? Your person, doesn't get any money, doesn't have any assets, so it qualifies for all the free government and everything. So get in there, get to Liberty Aid Academy, hack the money system and get credit limits like this. Can't help you until you get the trust, but what you do opens up a financial world that used to be only open to the wealthy elite. But I caught them, figured it out, copied them, and copyrighted it. Closed the door. So come on by. I got over a decade of proof of all my work and many testimonials. Jump in there and change your life financially. We're here to help you. Get credit limits like this, no problem.